New at 10 tonight, as the oil and gas industry continues to grow in Ohio, those across the river in West Virginia have been wondering when they will see the industry growing.
Now, the answer to those questions have become a little clearer after a transfer of oil and gas drilling assets from Chesapeake to Southwest Energy. But what does that all mean? Well, for starters, it's led to a spike in interest in setting up shop right here in the Ohio Valley. A purchase agreement between Southwest and Chesapeake Energy has set off a trickle-down effect. The transfer of oil and gas assets has turned the spotlight to right here in the Ohio Valley.
We wake up Monday morning, we show up to work, and all of a sudden we have a stack of messages, we have phone calls, we have text messages coming in, and we have people wanting to be in Brooke and Hancock County the next day. Since
that announcement, Pat Ford, Marvin Six, and the BDC have been showing properties nonstop in Brooke and Hancock County. But not long ago, they expressed concern about a lack of activity and an uncertainty if the industry would ever take hold. With Southwest's guarantee of rigs in place by 2016, those concerns have eased.
We're getting stabilization in the projections of what's going to be happening in the gas and oil with this Southwestern Energy putting holes in the ground. And individual property owners and the lease owners will also be seeing some activity on renewal of the leases.
Sites like the old Brook Glass Factory and old Jimmy Carey Stadium could once again be hubs of activity and are just a few of nearly a dozen properties that the BDC can match with business prospects looking to come into the area.
Some of them are as small as 3-person outfits. Some of them are as many as 70. And it's a variety, as Marvin said, it's a variety of skill sets that are needed.
Jobs and employers that can continue to drive down an unemployment rate in the area that Ford says he's seen a drop in recent years.
There's buildings going up. People are getting jobs. They're just really exciting times, and all the visual and economic indicators are there to ground truth what's actually happening.
Now, Ford said that as of Friday, the BDC had actually secured a purchase agreement for 2 of those properties that the BDC owns. Right now, further disclosure of those sales agreements is being withheld until those sales have been finalized.